Articles. Learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to recognize the differences among the articles a, an, and the. Name different objects using correct articles a, an, and the.
Dear boys and girls, I am Shamrat and I am a magician. With my magic, I can do many interesting things. Do you want to enjoy a magic now? Okay, look at my hat carefully. Is there anything inside?
No, there is nothing.
It is empty.
Now I am applying my magic spells. Abracadabra, abracadabra, gilly gilly. Look what I can bring out from my hat. My dear boys and girls, I hope you have enjoyed the magic. Now, let us try to remember the things which came out from my hat. There was a flower. There was an egg. There was a ball. There was an umbrella. Look, at the time of telling the names, I used two words, a and an. Why have I used them? I use them to tell that they are just one. Before a singular noun, we use a or an. We can also use the before nouns in other situations. We will discuss about the use of the in the next lesson. Do you know that an, a, the words have a special name in English? In English, the words a, an, and the are called articles. They are used before nouns. Remember, generally, when the noun is singular, we use either a or an. An is used before vowel sounds.
A, an ant. E, an elephant. I, an infant. O, an owl. U, an umbrella. A, E, I, O, U. Now let us listen to a song on articles and try to sing together.
Shanti has an elephant, an elephant, an elephant. Shanti has an elephant, she loves it very much. She rides on an aeroplane, an aeroplane, an aeroplane. She rides on an aeroplane, she likes it very much. She has an ice cream with an owl, with an owl, with an owl. She has an ice cream with an owl under an umbrella. They are happy with their lives, with their lives, with their lives. They are happy with their lives living in an island.
One day, Shanti, the magician's daughter, went to a shop for buying a few things. She bought all the things she wanted except one. Listen to the conversation and find out what she did not get in the shop. Hello, Karim Chacha.
Hello Shanti, how are you? How can I help you?
I'm fine. I would like to buy a few things.
Sure, what do you want to buy?
I want a pencil, an eraser, a notebook, a tiffin box, an ice cream, and a map of Bangladesh.
I have all the things you want, except one.
Which one, Chacha?
The notebook.
No problem. Give me the other things. What things did she not get in the shop? Shanti is a very good girl. She goes to school every day. Today she is getting prepared for her school. She puts her pen, pencil, book, exercise book, eraser, umbrella, ruler, calculator, watch, sharpener, orange, and cricket ball on her reading table. Look at her table. Notice all the items carefully. Keep the mouse on each object. On her table, Shanti has. Look at Shanti's table now. Shanti will take a few things to school. Can you find out the things she will take with her? Work in groups and try to make a list of the items in your exercise book using the correct articles. See what Shanti took in her school bag. A pencil, a book, an exercise book, an eraser, an umbrella, a clock.